Hello, this is Melanie from the Grecian Garden, your holistic health specialist. Today I'll be showing you how to make garlic with vodka for home remedies. This is going to be a basic garlic tincture. I'm going to start by chopping up 1 cup of garlic. So you want 1 cup of finely chopped garlic, and I've already started adding it to my quart jar. And you want to get that in there really well. And this not only is great for your immune system, but it will get the vampires away. I can assure you, this strong scent of garlic is just everywhere. You want to add 2 cups of vodka to your 1 cup of chopped garlic. And once that fills up, you want to give it a good shake. And you want to set this in a sunny spot, like a windowsill or a countertop, for 2 weeks. And the vodka is going to be pulling all the healing constituents and all the healing properties of the garlic into the vodka. Once that's processed for 2 to 6 weeks, we've got our garlic tincture. Now we're ready to strain it. And this tincture is really great to have on hand, not only as a prevention for sickness, but also it's really great for coughs and colds and any sort of respiratory ailment. So once you've got your tincture, you can pour it into your medicine dropper. And with this, you can actually take a teaspoon up to 4 times per day. If you're going through sickness, as prevention, you want to take just 1 teaspoon per day of the garlic tincture. Don't forget to put a label on it so you remember what's in it. And this is Melanie from the Grecian Garden, your holistic health specialist, showing you how to make garlic and vodka into an herbal remedy.